You got here then, huh?
Yeah, they weren't letting anyone go in the water. So on our right, is that Key Beach then? Is that Key Beach on the right?
Yeah, that's K area.
Yeah.
This is a love. This is love.
The waves have calmed down a little bit since then, so it's not as bad right now, but yeah, over the weekend it was pretty rough. That's the beautiful Palicos.
Have you felt the power? Mountain craters throwing lava in the air, or its green swept beauty. From each island blossoms.
The North Shore, this is the surf side of the island. World champions grew up surfing here. That's a famous surf spot in front of us. All that white water crashing on the big coral reef. It's called Tunnels. It's featured in the movie Soul Surfer, based off of a true story. Pro surfer Bethany Hamilton. She got her arm bit off by a shark. That's where the shark attack happened in real life.
Mountains make you cry. You will love these islands.
Town of Haena. Oh, sorry about that. Go ahead.
I was gonna say, are you a good surfer?
Not really. I grew up surfing, but I was always kind of like on the lower average side. That was one of the hobbies I was willing to let go when life got too busy. I still enjoy the ocean a lot, though. I do fish and spearfish a lot. You guys ever saw the movie Soul Surfer? No. It's based off a true story of a pro surfer, Bethany Hamilton. She was 13 and she got her arm bit off by a shark. They made a movie about her. This is where her arm got bit off in real life. That's where the actor Pierce Brosnan lives, right in this community on the right. He's been here for well over 20 years now. There are a lot of celebrities out here, though. Not just this town, all the towns up ahead. Ben Stiller, Will Smith, Mark Zuckerberg, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. The Rock's been filming a lot of movies here. You guys saw the movie Jungle Cruise? No?
Yeah, I saw that, yeah.
That was filmed here. A movie called Hobbs and Shaw. It's a spin-off of Fast and the Furious. I actually worked on that one. They actually hired me to be The Rock's body double. I just shaved my head. The rest was identical. I did fly for the film. What's that?
You guys look like twins.
Yeah, I can tell.
He's Samoan, right? The Rock?
I apologize. I was talking to my buddy back behind us there. Were you asking me something?
Oh, I think he's Samoan, right? The Rock?
Yeah, he is Samoan. He was raised in Oahu, though. These towns here on our left, this is Honolulu Bay here on our left side. Left of the bay is Princeville. In Honolulu town though, there's all these crops that grow in the water beds down there. It's the taro plant. That was one of the main food sources for Hawaiians, makes a food product known as poi. You guys had a chance to try some yet? Poi?
Not yet.
You guys going to a luau while you're here?
We did the last time we were on the big island.
There was no poi there for you to try? Or you chickened out?
Chickened out.
It's our version of your mashed potato. Most tourists don't like it very much though.
มะม่วงสดมะขาม
All along these mountainsides now, you're going to start to notice these flat-looking trees. You guys should see these trees all over the island. Most people, when they see them, think of Africa. It is an African Nelvesia. Unfortunately, here in Hawaii, it's an invasive tree. They grow twice as tall here in Hawaii as they will in Africa. Very weak because of it. They're capable of growing 20 feet tall in 1 year. They're spreading so fast, they're killing the native plants by cutting off sunshine, so we decided to build a power plant. We cut these trees down and burn it for electricity. It's one of our power sources.
How did they get here from Africa? Someone just brought them?
Yeah, it was brought in to help reinforce some of the land after some hurricanes. They didn't think it was going to get that out of control there. Here comes Pico Falls. We're going to start to head for the center of the island. We're going to head for this mountain range with all the rain clouds over there. It's called Waialeale. One of the main volcanoes that form the island. It's usually buried in clouds. Rains there 350 days a year. Just about every day. I'm going to plan on taking you into the crater. We'll see what the clouds are doing first. When I say crater, don't try to picture a volcano. This island's very old. The mountaintop once 9,000 feet. Today, 5,243. So it's eroding away. What's causing all the erosion is rain. Every time it rains, you get new landslides. That's how you get all these sharp ridge lines. If you notice, every valley has a river. The river created the valley. I did mention our helicopter was featured in Jurassic World. We mounted a gun on a helicopter. We flew up this valley. We started shooting dinosaurs. And the pterodactyl flew right into us, causing us to crash. This is where we filmed those scenes. You recognize the valley wall by looking at that white color rock shaped like an eye. You'll see that in the background. I did work on that movie too.
This is the original Jurassic Park?
This is, no, the first Jurassic World.
Oh, got it.
Let the mountain rumble, let the ocean rise, let the wind come calling. I will be there for you.